world's most popular sedans, combining style, performance, and advanced technology into a package that appeals to both loyal fans and new buyers alike. Known for its reliability and comfort, the Camry has always been a favorite in the midsize segment, and this latest model elevates the experience with fresh design elements, upgraded features, and an efficient new powertrain lineup. From the first glance, the exterior makes a strong impression with a sportier and more refined presence. The redesigned front fascia features a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and sharper body lines that give the car a more dynamic profile. The sculpted sides and aerodynamic proportions not only enhance its looks but also improve efficiency and handling. Available in multiple trims, including sport-oriented versions, the Camry offers a design for every type of driver. Inside the cabin, Toyota has focused on creating a driver-centered yet passenger-friendly environment. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and refined details make the interior feel more premium than ever before. The seating is supportive and comfortable, with options for leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and customizable ambient lighting. The rear seating area provides ample legroom, making long drives more enjoyable for families and passengers. The dashboard has been reimagined with a minimalist yet functional layout, dominated by a large high-definition touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium audio system ensure that technology meets convenience for all occupants. Performance is where the 2026 Camry shows significant growth. Toyota offers a variety of powertrain options, including an efficient hybrid model that delivers impressive fuel economy without compromising on performance. For those seeking a more spirited drive, a refined 4-cylinder turbocharged engine provides strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. The suspension system has been upgraded for improved ride comfort and handling precision, while available all-wheel drive ensures better traction and control in various road conditions. With selectable driving modes, drivers can tailor the experience to their preference, whether it's comfort, economy, or sport. Safety has always been a cornerstone of the Camry, and the new model takes it to the next level. Equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, the 2026 Camry includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. A new 360-degree camera system and advanced parking assist make maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. These innovations not only enhance safety but also build confidence for drivers in every situation. The 2026 Toyota Camry is not just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of a classic. It blends reliability, comfort, and efficiency with a bold new personality, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you're seeking a dependable daily commuter, a stylish family sedan, or a hybrid that balances power with economy, the new Camry delivers on every front. It continues to uphold its legacy as a bestseller while introducing features that set it apart in the modern automotive landscape.